Hi! Do you want to create a photo collage with all the photos you have? We have a solution for you which will help you create and edit photo collages quickly, simply and effectively. Firstly, go to our website which is located in the YouTube description link. You will be brought to our web pages. Import images from your computer or your Google Drive. After importing images, you can drag and arrange them according to your style. You can also edit for each picture, crop, edit, use color filters, add text. After finishing your collage photos, please select Save to your computer to save the photo collage to the computer. Click on the website link in the YouTube description to get this free software now. If you like our content, please press the subscribe button as well. Our team provides useful tech content on a weekly basis. Remember to click the bell as well. Thank you for watching.